Hello everybody, welcome to another video today. Today, I'm going to show you all a new update that came up with Ingress Prime. So, um, with this new update, it's been a while. I mean, I haven't showed this update, but I'm going to explain it a whole lot better. And this is going to be a short video clip. Anyways, introduce y'all a drone net. The drone net, you only get one hack. One hack per 1 hour and per single portal. You cannot hack. You only get to hack once. It doesn't really matter what mods are in the portal. So yeah, like say if there's like a multi hack or a heat sink. I don't know if there's. Oh yeah, here we go. Here's one right here. No matter if there's any mods on it with the drone, you don't get boosted. You don't get a multi hack, heat sink. You don't get nothing, even though you're using a drone. You have to actually be there in real life. The interactive circle. So you only get one hack on the drone footage. So yeah, you get to see what's going on the drone footage though too. You know, portals getting under attack somewhere. You can find out what's going on. What I did is thrown a drone out in this place. You know, Virginia Tech, Blacksburg, that's shown on this drone footage. Is thrown the drone out. It's got 55 minutes, so you only get one hack for every single portal, every single 1 hour. So 1 hour each, you're gonna have to wait before moving the drone to another portal, and you can hack again. So yeah, one hack each. You're gonna have to be wise of choose what level to pick on the portal. So I've been leaving this drone around. I can hack it later. So yeah. Oh yeah, here we go. Also, this is what it says is a drone mark 1, and I'm in level 10 for this ability. So yeah, and also, even though there's a drone out there, and I deploy, I also got another one of these from one of the portal hacks. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got building in there, building, attack, resonators, 2 resonators, attack, XM buster, power cubes. So 2 times of these, 1 time, 2 times of those. That way I can get a better chance to build stuff. So I'm still gonna have to wait months and months, you know, to get a lot of stuff. One of these resonators. So yeah, I'm almost getting full. Look at that, 1,992, and it actually helped. Still, after a while, you just gotta set a timer every single hour, and that way the portal's done cooling down. I mean, no, the drone has cooled down. You can go just move to another portal that's a level 5 in that area that I have, and then hack to another portal again. So yeah, pretty good explanatory. Best to explain it over in the game. You're inside the game right now with this smartphone. So yeah, and there's still 2 of these right now available. Meetup bundle, defense. I wonder if you can still buy this in the store. Make it more explanatory for y'all. Wait. Store. So you get 10 power cubes, 10 resonators. That's a pretty good deal. You get 1,000. You have to pay 1,000. Huh. What level resonators? Level 8? Oh. I'd rather get a set of each resonators versus getting a level 8 one. Yeah. Avatar stuff. There's a builder bundle. I get, you get, for a cost of 5,400 points, you get this much a set. So, oh, here we go, here we go. 15 for 8? Wow. Temporary boost. Well, and then I have to buy these, and they're still expensive. Almost $100 for 200,000 CMU. I wish the game will give you the income. Oh no, no. Like the income of this stuff. You know. I don't know. What is the income guessment? So far my item income is this, and the drone. I just gotta, know every single hour when it's ready. I wish we'll send out that notification when the drone said, drone is ready to be moved, But right now it's kind of unstable because it's been out for less than months. And it would say drone deploy, but it will cut off in the halfway. It will say drone deploy. It'll just cut off halfway. So you can pretty much tell it's been out less than a month. That it's, unstable to tell you that, stuff like that on the game. Let's see. Here's my profile. I think level 10 you get one drone. Whenever you, and also you get a furthest drone flight, unique drone portals drone visited. So far I got 9 because I've been going potion motion with the the drone and all that. Got 9. And also portals right now. Control field. So you don't get current hacking streak. You get, I think, by drone hacking streak. Drone hacks, yeah. So you get whenever using a drone as you're hacking out in the field. So you get a little bit of items a little quicker if you're doing both at the same time. So I wish you can whatchamacallit, hack a little bit more, but it'll just kind of defeat the purpose. Or buy the mods that's on the portal. If there's like mods like a heatsink or a multi-hack, then I can see that one might work. But unfortunately it doesn't work right now because they don't have it patched in for the game like that. I mean, say for example, if there's like a heatsink, you get, depending on what heatsink it is, you get a 15% cutoff on the cooldown time. For a hacking, a multi-hack, maybe you get 2 hacks. Depending on the mod. So, there's just those ideas I'm gonna throw out there. For, mods, being there on the portal. Oh, noted about, hold on. This may or may not work, but here's, wait. I'm kind of curious if this mod, wait, no. Better mods. would this mod affect the portal? Like, you know, hacking with a drone. You know, putting a transmitter plus or a transmitter down. Would it affect the drone hacking? Like whenever you hack through a drone, you put these down on the portal, or it's just whenever you're there. So yeah. Also, I'm saving these very stronger multi-hack and heatsink for later. So yeah. So yeah. And now there's a drone marker though too. You can't. Okay. Here's one thing I'm gonna show y'all. You cannot. One thing you cannot do is you cannot put this down into capsules. It will not let you. See, it used to be at 48, 49. Boom, just go down to 48. It will not let you. It will not let you put it in the capsules. In those capsules that I know of. Oh, wait, hold on. Let's see if we can put it in here, though. It doesn't even show it. Wait, hold on. I don't think. Wait, no. Here it is right here. And also it includes this. No, it will not even allow you to do it. Because it doesn't pop in there. So yeah, you can't put it in capsules. I don't think the locker keys will do it. Because if you can't put it in here, you can't put it in the key lockers. So, yeah. They're just, you know, there in your item inventory. Oh, here we go. Hold on. So, yeah. So, yeah, that's pretty much it from there. After a while. And, stay safe now. 25%. 86.5 degrees. This is my Moto G7 Play. Screen recording on the Moto G7 Play. And stay safe now, y'alls. Bye-bye. Oh, before we go, hold on. We got the XP, though. Here's the XP. It's 2 zeros. You know, put all the zeros down. And then 1, 6. No, 1. Yeah, 1, 6, 8, 1. 2. No, 6, 2, 2. There you go. Later on, y'all can do the math, you know, whenever I get close to level up. Because I'm on the next bar, where, you know, nearly. So, yeah. And also, you get more XP boost. You get, instead of 10, you get, let's see, hold on, let me show y'all. Let me show y'all one of these portals. When I charge them. You get more AP, though, too. Even though you don't have to use, the boosting thing, the sim boosting card. You still get a lot of AP, though. Just no rush. Because with me, no rush. I do it patiently. So look at that. Oh yeah, we got a new agent here. I haven't seen this one before. Or seen this person before. He's a level 14 agent. Wow. Level 14. Well. Let's see what's going on right now. Oh, this thing is private. So it doesn't show. Okay. So, for example, I'm just charging this right here. It gives you plus 65 AP. Plus 65 AP. And I think I might have mentioned it before on the other videos I uploaded. So yeah, that's it from there. I'm going to end the video right here, right now. So bye-bye and peace out. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.